everyone, Sabrina from Campbell's Freedom Farm. So today I'm going to propagate some citrus from cuttings. However, I'm about 4 days from my house. So how am I going to propagate these and get them safely home? You know, I travel a lot, so I'm always picking up stuff. So I picked up some simple ways. All right, this is a citrus plant, if you want to zoom in, that keeps getting weed whacked. So they're trying to get rid of it. So if you don't have scissors, you could probably twist it off. So I'm going to get as many as I can. Oh. Foster dog crying. All right, let me go inside and show you. All right, as you know, I go to Panera's. They should be giving me the free coffee club. What I did is I picked up some sand along the beach. I am not poking holes in this because I have days before I get home. This is semi-damp. I'm going to pull these off. And I'm not going to leave any of the leaves because they can mold by the time we get home. Now listen, the best time to make cuttings is in the morning. It's not through all the horrible heat. This is it. I have no rooting hormone except for one option. And I cut, and I'm going to stick these in. And I'm going to cover them, and I had a straw, but it's missing in action. But you have this, and you have a little hole, and then we cover them. Now, the other option is, if you don't have sand, you're just going to pick up some dirt around it. So let me grab some. All right, this one I'm doing the same way. I'm just getting rid of all the leaves. To sharpen those. Okay, I have a little water here. Believe it or not, this is not my honey, but normally I carry a little packet of honey because I like tea. Honey is a natural antibiotic and a fungicide. So in this soil, I don't have time to put hot water on it or anything else. So I am just putting 1 drop of honey on here. A lot of people use honey instead of rooting compound, and I'm just going to put them in. And the same here. Probably get 2 out of here. Okay, you always know you have a citrus plant besides the leaves, but they're like a weapon, kind of. Okay. 1 more. Break that off. And then in the cup. Now I have a little water. I'm going to just put a drop of water, well, like a tablespoon. And that's it. Then I'm just going to cover these, and I'm going to transport these back. Now, if I see any mold or anything, I would take it out, rinse it, and then get new sand. And I'm going to take a cup of sand with me. And now when I get back, if everything looks great, I'm not going to remove these and use rooting compound. I'm just going to drill holes like I normally would. And then I would put them in the same place I always do when I propagate. But this is an easy, simple way. You're on the trail and you see a plant that you really like and there's no restrictions there to take a cutting. Check on that. This one I know that they're weed whacking constantly. And this is how you propagate some citrus plants. Please subscribe, like, and share this, Sabrina. Thumbs up.